Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. You work hard for your money, putting in long hours and making sacrifices to provide for your loved ones. Every dollar you earn represents your dedication and commitment to your family's future. But beyond financial stability, your family's safety is your most valuable asset, the one thing you can't put a price on. Alarms and cameras are a good start, offering a first line of defense and peace of mind. But what if a real threat manages to get past those barriers? What if the unthinkable happens and your home's security is truly put to the test? That's where a panic room comes in, a specially fortified space designed to keep you and your loved ones safe during a home invasion, natural disaster, or any emergency situation. It's a secure retreat, engineered to withstand even the most determined intruders. It's not about living in fear, it's about being prepared for the unexpected. Preparation is the key to confidence and peace of mind. Think of it as a vault for people, an impenetrable sanctuary, built to protect you for as long as necessary, no matter what's happening outside. When chaos strikes, you don't want to waste precious seconds thinking about what to do. You want to act instantly, knowing your plan is solid. A panic room buys you critical time for help to arrive, whether it's law enforcement, emergency responders, or even neighbors coming to your aid. It's a multi-purpose sanctuary, offering protection not just from intruders but also from severe weather, natural disasters, or any crisis that threatens your home. Forget the Hollywood drama. This isn't about movie-style suspense. It's about making a strategic investment in your family's peace of mind and long-term security. In the next sections, we'll break down what makes a safe room truly effective, the best locations to build one, and what you can expect in terms of cost and customization. If you're serious about protecting your legacy and everything you've worked for, you need to be just as serious about protecting yourself and your loved ones. Don't be caught off guard. Be the one with a plan, ready for anything life throws your way. A panic room isn't just a locked closet. It's a carefully designed system, engineered for your safety and peace of mind. It's a dedicated space that stands between you and danger, offering a true sense of security when you need it most. The structure is key. Reinforced walls, ceiling, and floor using steel, Kevlar, or concrete create a nearly impenetrable barrier. These materials are chosen for their strength and durability, ensuring the room can withstand forced entry, fire, or even natural disasters. The door is often the weak point, so invest in a solid core steel door with multiple deadbolts and tamper-proof hinges. This is your first line of defense, and it must be as strong as the walls themselves. You need quick access from inside, but it should be nearly impossible to breach from outside. A well-designed entryway can make all the difference in an emergency. Communication is vital. Install a landline, satellite phone, or a signal booster so you're never cut off from help. In a crisis, being able to call for assistance can save lives. Ventilation matters. An independent air filtration system protects against smoke, chemicals, or even biological threats. Clean air is essential for survival, especially if you're sealed in for hours or days. Backup power keeps lights, air, and communication running if the main power fails. A generator or battery backup ensures you're not left in the dark, maintaining comfort and safety. Stock the room with at least 72 hours of food, water, and a first aid kit. Think about dietary needs, medications, and anything your family might require during an extended stay. Don't forget a portable toilet. Comfort is survival. Sanitation is often overlooked, but it's crucial for health and morale. These aren't luxuries, they're essentials. Every item you include increases your chances of staying safe and comfortable. A panic room without these features is just a holding cell. True security means self-sufficiency, allowing you to wait out danger with confidence. Every detail counts. Cut corners, and you risk everything. Quality construction and reliable materials are non-negotiable. Build it right, and it's your family's lifeline. A place where you can truly feel protected, no matter what's happening outside. This is survival, not style. When it comes to panic rooms, function always comes before form. Location is everything. The best panic rooms are discreet and close to where you spend the most time, like a master bedroom closet or basement. Reinforce a walk-in closet or section off a basement corner. Hide the entrance behind a bookshelf or false wall. The less obvious, the safer you are. Building new, integrate the safe room into your plans for seamless security. The path to the room should be clear and practiced. Drill with your family. Even the best safe room is useless if you can't reach it fast. Prioritize speed and stealth. In an emergency, seconds count. Let's talk cost. A DIY panic room might run $5,000, $15,000. Basic protection, but limited security. Professional installations start around $50,000 and can exceed $200,000, offering bullet-resistant walls, vault doors, ventilation, and backup power. Ultra-luxury rooms can top $1 million with full amenities and blast protection. Should you DIY? Unless you're a security pro, don't risk it. A single mistake can be fatal. Professionals know how to build true fortresses. Don't gamble with your life. You get what you pay for. Invest in expertise for real peace of mind. This isn't the place to cut corners. Your family's safety is worth it. Pay for the best. Panic rooms are getting smarter than ever before. Today, you can integrate them seamlessly with your home automation system for instant lockdown, real-time surveillance, and immediate emergency alerts at the touch of a button. Smart locks, facial recognition entry, and remote controls now add multiple layers of security, making unauthorized access nearly impossible. New, advanced building materials make panic rooms not only stronger but also more discreet, blending into your home's design so they're less noticeable to intruders. For those facing extreme threats, blast protection is now an option, with reinforced doors and walls designed to withstand even the most severe situations. But don't forget, permits and local safety codes are crucial. Skipping these steps can put your safety and investment at risk. Always work with reputable professionals to ensure your panic room is not only secure, but also legal and accessible to first responders in case of emergency. So, who really needs a panic room? It's not just for the ultra-wealthy or celebrities. Public figures, high-profile executives, and anyone with significant assets, or even families living in high-risk areas where extra protection brings peace of mind. Remember, it's not about paranoia, it's about being prepared for the unexpected. In an uncertain world, having control over your safety is the ultimate luxury and a smart investment. A well-designed panic room gives you and your loved ones that control, offering security and peace of mind. For more expert advice on protecting your assets and enhancing your home security, follow Entrepreneurial Edge.